Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we are going to be taking a look at Ankr yet again. We talked about Ankr recently in a video, I think it was, March 25th. We talked about it, and it was at 12 cents. We saw the rise coming, so I definitely did a video on it very quickly. It looks like a lot of you guys enjoyed this video. We had about 17,000 views and 534 likes, obviously including myself. You got to like your own videos. It's part of the whole plan here. But the Ankr price itself was at 12 cents. Right now, we're sitting at 19 cents with a 29% increase in the last 24 hours. We see in the last week, it went up about 171%. The market cap at 1.3 billion, the volume at that 2.5 billion in the last 24 hours. And then we also see the circulating supply at that 7 billion Ankr. So Ankr is one of those that we kind of did talk about previously, and we did believe in Ankr. We thought that the price would continue to jump and climb throughout the rest of 2021. I definitely think March was one of these kind of obscure months where we did have a lot come for Ankr, so maybe that's why the increase was so substantial. If we go to the website, we can actually talk more about what Ankr is, but let's firstly actually go down here and give you guys the brief description that Coinbase gives us. So Ankr is an Ethereum token that powers Ankr, a distributed computing platform that aims to make it easy and affordable for developers to deploy and use a variety of blockchains. The Ankr token can be used to pay for services on Ankr, such as a node deployment, and also acts as incentive for network participants. So Ankr is kind of a big deal right now. If you go down here, you can see that our ETH2 staking solution has launched. And obviously that could have an influence on the price. We go over to Ankr staking, and it's Ankr staking simplified. Basically, they call it Ankr provides decentralized staking services for Ethereum 2.0. Ankr's ETH2 staking protocol and platform combines staking and DeFi, implementing elements from traditional staking with non-custodial management, micro pools, instant liquidity, and decentralized governance. You can actually see that over 45,000 ETH currently staked in Ankr. Over 2,314 stakers currently, and then they talk about why stake with Ankr. They talk about the positive and upside behind it. We'll just go quickly and cover the micro pool, staking manager, staking liquidity, and security. Obviously, all four of these are their major bullet points on why you should stake with Ankr. You can continue down, and you can actually learn more about how ATH works, and you can also see that you can calculate your earnings here. So let's say we put in 42 ETH. By the year ending, you would actually earn 2.96 ETH, which is actually a pretty solid amount. So you see $71,000 and you earn $5,000 in a matter of 1 year. That's a very solid amount. If we continue down, we can actually see more about the Access Ankr's ETH2 staking services and AETH here. You can actually access them on Uniswap, SushiSwap, MetaMask, and a bunch of other ones, Trust Wallet as well. So this does look like a fairly good sustainable coin, because we see that Ankr has a lot of purposes behind it. Obviously, a lot of people are staking already, and a lot of people are getting on this price jump while they can. If we refresh here and just see if it's still at 19 cents, yes, it is. We go back to Ankr's website, we can see that connect to Web3 in minutes. We support more than 40 blockchain protocols for staking or developing purposes. You can see that staking nodes, developer APIs, and enterprise solutions. You can read more about those. However, you have this 8,000 plus nodes already deployed, trusted by blockchain pioneers all over the world, including things like Avalanche, Binance, Bounce, Compound, and then obviously some big ones like Matic and Polkadot and Scale are some ones that we talk about on our YouTube channel. We also have Harmony, which is definitely one that we talk about a lot as well on the channel. But yeah, you can stay tuned for updates. I definitely suggest reading a little bit more about what Ankr is all about. But just based on what we saw, a lot of people are already staking and trying to get in early enough to make their money. I think staking is going to be a big deal for Ankr, as a lot of people see the potential behind it. We're actually going to go back to the price chart, however, though, and kind of give you guys what we think on a price prediction for the end of 2021, as well as April and May. So by the end of April, I think we will have Ankr's continuing push. I think about 25 to 30 cents was what I was kind of figuring out as a price prediction, because I think we've done so much big things in the last week. We haven't really seen much of a decrease. We've seen, a huge jump that led to a decrease back down on stabilization. I do think 25 to 30 cents is a very solid prediction for the end of April. You got to remember, I do think there will be a jump, a new all-time high in April. I think it will go past that 22-cent mark by far. I think we'll see it maybe even skip to about 36, 35 cents. However, I do think it will come back down and stabilize around that 28, 30 cent range. But if we continue on for May, I think May is really where we're going to see a lot of progress. May is one of those months where I think a lot of cryptocurrencies will do well. Same with April. So I think Ankr will have a chance at reaching a 45 to 50 cent range. However, by the end of the year, I think it will slow down. We will see some stabilization. It won't continue at this increase forever, obviously. So I think Ankr will be an 80-cent coin by the end of 2021. That is my hope. That is my that's my thoughts currently. Obviously, that could change with any upcoming projects or updates. That's always available to change. So you guys always do your own research. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'll never give you guys financial advice. But Ankr is definitely one of those that we could see jump all the way to 80, 85 cents by the end of the year. It's a coin that has a potential for more and more. However, that is going to be my price prediction for the end of 2021. Let me know if you guys think that's too low. Obviously, 80 to 85 cents is something that could actually be, we could touch onto that by the end of May for all we know. Obviously, if this month is, or these upcoming months are as good as we hope they will be, Ankr could actually already be a 60-cent coin by the end of April or May. So, we may be a little low there. Remember, I like to stay conservative on my price predictions. 80 to 85 cents to $1 is about where I'd pin Ankr for the end of 2021 currently. However, with this increase, if we continue to see this increase throughout the rest of April and May, like I said, we could actually see this as a 60-cent coin by the end of May at the very least. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my price predictions. Let me know why you guys think, it's a little low or it's a little high. Remember, I do like to stay conservative. I don't want to get wrapped up in the hype, so I try to, look at the prices on the chart before, making any prediction, as well as the uses behind. Obviously, the use cases as well is going to impact where I see the price in the future. Like I said, guys, let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions or comments on whether or not you think Ankr is going to remain at this steady increase for the rest of the year. Also, let me know if you guys have any coins you want me to take a look at. I always try to cover every coin you guys post about. Obviously, it's going to be hard to do that, but I will try to look at every coin you guys talk about. Obviously, not really possible, but I will definitely attempt it. And if I see a coin multiple times, obviously I'll jump on that one right away. Make sure to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to be notified every time I make a video, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified. And then also you can join the Discord community. We talk about all coins in the crypto universe. So make sure to join the Discord. It's also in the description as well. And then you can also follow me on Twitter for fast information and the most recent information on cryptocurrencies. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for the awesome stream yesterday. I really appreciate all the support. You guys were awesome. We are now above 21K and slowly rising. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'll see you all in the next video.